Hi there, students. Tawdry. Tawdry is an adjective. I guess tawdrily you could use as an adverb, yeah? Tawdry means cheap and bad quality, but looking bright and attractive. So something that looks bright and good, but in fact it's cheap and low quality. It's tacky and not very good. So he wore tawdry clothes. They were very bright and they looked good, but in fact they were just cheap rubbish. Yeah? Okay, so something that's garish, perhaps. Okay, that's one meaning of tawdry, talking about things that you can see. You can also use tawdry about people. If you call somebody tawdry, you're saying they have low moral standards. So he humiliated his wife with a tawdry affair. There was a tawdry affair about the minister visiting prostitutes. Okay, so tawdry, it goes in both ways, either cheap and gaudy in appearance or quality, tawdry clothing, tawdry jewels, tawdry furniture, or something that's morally sordid, something distasteful, a tawdry scandal, a tawdry love affair, a tawdry attempt to denigrate or to destroy the reputation of his opponent. Yeah, so tawdry, his actions were tawdry, they weren't honest. Yeah, they were dishonest. So I think maybe much of politics is very tawdry. It's not honest, moral and above board. It's not what it should be. Okay, so tawdry. Gaudy, cheap in appearance, garish, or shameful and indecent. So, yeah, he was wearing a tawdry suit. The tawdry Christmas lights tried to brighten up something that was difficult to improve. Yeah? Tawdry paste jewellery that it was clear was very poor quality. The tawdry way that European countries have treated immigrants. Yeah, so it's either something flashy, gaudy, tacky, trashy, cheap and tasteless, or without morals. Yeah, immoral, unreasonably moral, dirty, and undesirable. Yeah, low moral quality. Okay, so of tawdry appearance, cheap and gaudy, showy, flashy, and then tawdry behaviour, sordid behaviour, base and shameful behaviour. Yeah. I actually quite like the origin of this one. It actually comes from the phrase tawdry lace, which is a corruption of St. Audrey lace. Yeah, and this lace was sold to pilgrims, and it was tawdry, it was cheap and vulgar. Yeah, okay, it fell out of fashion. So tawdry, St. Audrey, and that's that's the origin of it. So how formal is this adjective tawdry? I think I'd probably only give it a 6. It sounds a bit literary, a little bit posh, but I think you could use this in an informal conversation in some tawdry pub, yeah, which has got some tawdry Irish pub with all the decorations. Yeah, it looks good, but it's cheap, it's pretentious, it's showy, but it's not actually, there's no quality to it at all. Yeah, and then tawdry, base, in low moral standards. Yeah, the tawdry way the government has acted in this affair. Okay, so tawdry. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tawdry.